the chunky fella has returned to the Duck River. A clear, beautiful Duck River. On a day where I have guaranteed Big Bro over there some topwater smallies. So I told him, I'm like, hey, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be a high of 82. The water's gonna be warm, and we're gonna catch some smallmouth on topwater. It may be the last best time to do it. And so here we are giving it a shot. It is extremely shallow right here, so it will be difficult, but we're going upstream on the duck towards Carpenter's Bridge. Again, you know, we're paddling upstream. We'll never even get close to Carpenter's Bridge, but we're gonna head up that way. We're gonna make every effort to go topwater and focus on topwater and catch what we already know is massive smallmouth bass in the Duck River. We're very low, and as a result of being very low, we're gonna have to get out from time to time, as we are right now, and give it a little walk upstream. Last time I fished this spot right here, I actually caught a fish here. It was significantly deeper though, so yeah, you guys know the plan. We're excited to be here. This is probably one of the last really good opportunities to hit or to get hit on topwater for a while. So we're gonna give it every shot we got. I'm starting with the Whopper Plopper. It's the larger Whopper Plopper, the one a lot of people use for muskie, some people use for bass. I believe it's like a 120 or 150 or something like that. It's not the 90 for sure. We have also, I have a bladed jig with like a white trailer. I have the D-Shad from Gary Yamamoto, and of course a Ned rigged Nikko Hellgrammite for now. So that's where we stand. As you can see, the duck is extremely clear. I don't know how clear that is, but straight through it, you can see. You can fish over there. I've caught fish right there. What is that?
Some sort of jawbone, teeth and everything.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, I don't know.
Deer?
It's got sharp teeth. It might be a deer. Probably a deer, I'm guessing.
Yeah, weird. Anyway, so yeah, that's the plan. Stick with us. Let's go catch some smallmouth bass. Upstream? Oh.
I think I like the 5-inch.
We got us a rock bass. First fish of the day. Decent one. Probably about 7 inches long. There he is. Putting on the lopes. Might need to record that. Sunglasses time. Sun is coming up, and the fish are gonna go to the shade for us, which means, God, look at that, guys. Look at this mess. Which means they're gonna go to one particular place on the river for us. And that is a perfect situation for us. So we'll know where they are. We're gonna go get them. And if we don't, I'll just delete this. And it was like it never happened. ChunkyFellaFishing. I'm really liking the action on this glide bait. It's fun. It's a plastic glide bait. The D-Shad from Yamamoto, and it has it's a soft plastic jerkbait. I like to jerk bait downward, you know? And you can't do that in a kayak. So I have to do it to the side, and I'm just not super comfortable with it. You know there are rocks under there. So I kind of wiggle it and slowly drag it over rocks and then let it drop. That's when I get the hit. Or at least that's how it's been the last 2 times. Spotted bass. Oh, where'd he go? That's the problem. Where'd he go, bro? Can you see him? Yeah. I think he might be under me. Can you grab him?
Under?
Yeah, under my seat.
Oh, reach around to your left hand.
He's right here?
No, on the side. On the side.
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, there he goes.
You had one.
You did?
No, you had one.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm sorry about that. I'm trying to get back. I'll go back and get another. Yeah, we're counting. It was a spotted bass. It was on the Nikko Hellgrammite. So, which, by the way, if in my experience, anything that you can catch on the Hellgrammite, you can catch on the bluegrass bug, in my opinion. But what do I know? We got another rock bass. Decent size. I'd probably say 8.5 to 9 inches. Not a trophy, but a chunker. Ouch. Not bad. And the first smallie of the day. Not a very big guy, but we would gladly take him. Beautiful fish, beautiful fish. I like to turn them like that because I find that you can, and by the way, hello. Yes, we got a little tummy. I like to hold them like that because you can see the colors better when you tilt them. And they're such beautiful fish, I feel like you have to. We just need to catch that one's grandmother. That's the goal. We're gonna catch some big ones today. I truly, truly feel it. And this river has as big as they come. We got another rock and really another good fish. You know, if you're gonna catch rock bass, then let's catch them when they're let's take a little look-see. 8 inches long, because they're fun. They are so fun. They fight pound for pound like a smallie, I'd argue, but obviously, you know, a giant rock bass is 10 or 11 inches. I think you'd find Big Bro and I are finesse fishing. I am still holding out that perhaps the Whopper Plopper will start hitting. We have a good chance at catching a good fish. But like I said, you know, the expectation here is multiple, several 18-inch smallmouth bass. And I visualized it. I believe it's going to happen. I truly do. We got us a little spotted bass. He fought good. I do see craw tentacles hanging out of his mouth. You might not be able to see it, but they are there. Out. Well, he's a little bit bigger than the actual lure, but not much. That said, it is the first fish for me on the D-Shad. It is a spotted bass, little bitty guy. I couldn't figure out if I caught that fish or if there was a leaf stuck on my lure. So, but I'll take it. Dude, he swallowed it. He's as big as the bait. That's how you can tell. My goodness. There we go. Yeah. Look at that monster. Look at that. It's got like a bluegill. Spotted bass. I don't know where the big ones are, but we hadn't found them yet, so. While I'm really liking this deep... Oh, it's in my mouth. No spideys, please. Yeah, it was a good look for me. Yeah, well, I'm really liking this D-Shad. The reel I'm using it on is the heavier Shimano Stratic. And I'm feeling it. Yeah. I went into a tree. I got all kinds of nastiness all over me. Ugh. Yeah, shoulder is not feeling awesome. Oh! What happened? I lost a fish. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. I definitely lost the fish. That's what happened. When I went to set the hook, it did not do what was expected, for sure. I think it's a little spotted bass either way, but... It's about 1 o'clock. Today is not going to be a super long day on the water, just because my alma mater's playing again, and we're 6-0, so you can bet your patootie I will be watching. You know, one of the top teams in the SEC right now. I mean, we're super happy too. It was due for sure. My school's like known for spending all the money and getting none of the results, so it's about time. Mike Elko's the man. The defense is amazing, and there's such thing as battered Aggie syndrome, which is, you know, a medical condition by which a lot of Aggies suffer because we're so used to underperforming that we just expect it practically. So yeah. So to some degree, I'm sitting here thinking to myself, you know, we're gonna screw this up. There's no way around it. If I know anything, we're gonna screw this up.
How are you?
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Catch any fish?
You know, not as many as I'd like, but done okay. Nothing big, but plenty of species.
Yeah. We got a lot out here, that's for sure.
Yeah. Is this your land?
What's like?
Is this your land?
This is my grandfather's, yes sir.
Oh, it's nice, man. You're a lucky man.
What's like?
You're a lucky man.
Yes sir.
It's a good spot.
Very well traveled portion of the river.
What's that?
Very well traveled portion of the river.
It is, yeah. Yeah, I imagine you gotta put all this private property stuff, or else people they probably do it anyway.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, kids, you know?
Yes sir. Well, we don't really care as long as it's not messing with stuff.
Yeah, right. Well, it's one of those things you don't want to, you know, some drunken fool like hurts themselves and tries to blame you. You know how it is. Yeah. But it's nice, man.
Thank
You bet. How long has it been in the family?
I believe my grandfather bought this property in the mid-70s.
Okay. Very cool. Do you like to fish?
I've never been a big fisherman. I've done quite a bit of fishing, but
Okay.
never really been my thing.
Yeah.
I'd like to do a lot more hunting.
Oh, I get it. Are you doing any now? I don't hunt much, but I know it's some hunting season. I don't know what it is though.
So it's a bow season for deer right now.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, cool. Yeah, if you ever get a chance, check out. I got a YouTube channel,
Cool, man.
ChunkyFellaFishing. Yeah. The wind is really picked up. It's blowing us backwards. Kind of directly going against the current. So, the Chunky Fella is a giant sail under the right conditions. Going. Oh. Well, we got us a good smallie on the D-Shad. Yeah, good one. We'll take him. Hey, hi, how you doing? Good. I've got a little of everything. So I would say, yeah. Come on out. There we go. Yeah, he didn't like that. So that's him. Nice little smallie. Maybe 13 inches, something along those lines. We will take him. Yeah, the wind has really picked up, but man, as the water gets a little chop, it sparkles like diamonds, doesn't it? Pretty. Well, that's it. We did our little float. It is 2:26, which means my football game starts in 4 minutes. I will be listening to it until I get home. But yeah, that was our short trip today. Not terrible, not the best ever. That little smallie, I mean, you know, bigger smallie than the others kind of made everything worthwhile for me. I did really enjoy the D-Shad from Yamamoto, but one criticism, look at the boneyard here. I mean, they fall apart. So that would be my only criticism. Otherwise, great day on the river. Thank you guys for joining me. As always, tight lines to you, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.